Alright, baby. That's how they decked it out. Not really heard this guy name before. That's the tag. And we about to get into it. That's the inside of the box. And we about to get into it and show the problems also. Once again, when I first looked at it, these factories are failing these sneaker companies. Alright, baby. That's that lateral. And that's that medial look. Got that goosebump look, which is that, I think it's pebble, what they call pebble leather. The I was gonna say swoosh. The Diadora logo. Maybe suede. I'll say it's a suede right here. Maybe. Really got that. Yeah, not to the grades to me on that part right there. So maybe that's a maybe suede, like I said right there. But that's how it's looking right there. See how he got his music, the headphones. It's art. Sneakers is art. See? Get to see the creative way how he was going. Put the yellow up top, a little white. Then got a little bit of that South Beach color on that midsole. And then a little bit of this right here. Putting a little textile material with this right here. Then you got the white going up top, toe box. And then with the, what's it called? The toe cap. You got it in yellow. And it got those lines up on there. So, then you got the eyelids. That's yellow. Tongue is white. Diadora, I grew up on it. It still try to mix itself, even though sometimes they sell some stuff cheap, they still try to be on a little premium, especially when some of it is from Italy, but not all of it is done in Italy. That inside is nice. I like that. They went with a leather inside. I like that. I like that pink leather. That is nice. They need to do that more. And look at it. Look how it is. Nice and soft. They messed this shoe up to me, bro. Actually, he was going to keep it, but too much mistakes inside of it. Is blue. Got powder blue. Also leather. So the whole tongue is leather. You know, from the inside to the back to the front, leather. Inside lining leather. And then insole got his nice little thing right there. So a little portrait. That look dope. I think it's on both. Yeah, I think it's on both. That one there. Check it out. How everybody doing today, baby? I ain't gonna take out every goddamn thing, but yeah, it looks like the same goddamn thing. But that's how it is in there. They gave two, one string, which is that pink. I liked it because it's like I said, to me the Miami colors with that South Beach looking color type style. Yeah, I liked it, but that midsole is garbage. It's shoddy work. You can see how they went with it. White up on it, and then the color, the Miami type color, Miami Beach color. See all the messed up. Look how terrible that is. And all this is, to me, most of the time, some rubbers already, they just get the crease in anyway, and I don't even like those ones. But what this to me is, and the paint job is garbage also to me. That what this is these pieces right here be right there in the cart, and before they throw it on the assembly line, instead of them checking it, so they get the one that's flat. So you want a flat canvas when you put the paint on. They don't do that. They don't check it. They just throw it on there. So how the midsole was, when you put the paint on it, that's just how it's gonna come out. So you're gonna get bumps. Look at that. You're gonna get bumps. Stress. So he must be going the same stress I'm going through. Look at that. Yo, look at this is. See how they're failing them. Look at that. And then they, look at that. Some stores be thinking you might be captain. Like, oh, yo, this guy captain. No, it ain't captain. Look at that. That's how it came, bro. Look at that. You broke the man. If you give the guy who created this and you give it to him, he'd be pissed, bro. You know, up on it. He'd be pissed. Now, some midsoles get decreasing already, but it's not just because of that. It's the paint jobs and all that stuff. And the ones that do, I always say, if you do get them put on a midsole that creases already, I think you should put speckles on it. Now, I know speckles in the sneaker game is like little kiddish, but to me, paint splatters and all that will help it. When you just do it regular, you just get to see it. It look terrible. So this is a easy pass. I said I probably would have tried it again just to tell them, man, to try to give me another one, but I doubt it if it would even be good. That's that bottom. These are sneakers that, to me, I would have rather been at the store to go check. Look at that line right there. Line straight there to down there. Look at that. Look at that. Certain spots. Look at that. That's not bueno. Look at that. So you be having a brand new shoe with a line just like that. Crazy, bro. It killed the shoe. Like, you made a nice upper. All you had to do is get a nice thing that could make the midsole dope. Even this part is kind of like unsatisfactory to me too. The white up on there, the white paint on there. Look at that. You got pink on the gray there. It's just not good, bro. It's not good, bro. It's not good, bro. And this right here, like I said, if it's not suede for the price, because this was $150, then I would say this is silly. If this is like felt, I'll be like, why put felt there? I would have try to put a little better feeling on suede there. I do like the color, but it doesn't feel super suede-ish to me. And I'm about to boogie oogie. That's how that medial look. Just for just looking at it, for the ones that just wanted to look how see how it is in-hand look. What they be playing in them country? Soccer? Football. Yeah, soccer. So Diadora is in all that in the Europe league, Europe places and all that stuff. All right, baby, I'm about to get out of here with this guy. Yeah, I messed this guy's shoe up, just like they messed up another. Well, I'm not gonna we were stuck it on Diadora. Send Diadora some love, and the guy DJ Luian, and tell him that, yo, bro, they messing your shoe up. You made it nice with the inside and all that, and then they just couldn't hook your midsole up perfectly. He even wanted the nice colors up there. Y'all messed it all up. Come on, man. Stop Captain Factory. I'm out of here. Raffle channel.